Well, Mauricio, I see you want to talk a little bit about how customers can interface into the InfoScale Access product. Would you go ahead and take us through it?
Sure, Bob.
Okay.
Thank you. To manage and to configure InfoScale Access Cluster, we usually use two interfaces. The first interface is a local interface. It is command line based. We call it CLISH. This is the most powerful interface that we have to manage the InfoScale Access cluster. It has a limited number of commands that will let you, however, configure everything in InfoScale Access. You can create shares, you can create users, all the logical objects that are related to the InfoScale Access cluster. You can manage snapshots, replication, advanced features like duplication, compression, everything. They can be scheduled using the CLISH. So it is a really powerful interface. You can do basically everything. But you need to be connected locally to one of the 2 or 3 or n nodes of the InfoScale Access cluster. So this is the first interface. The second interface instead is Veritas InfoScale Operation Manager. This is the same interface, the same management server that you already use to manage the production systems. This is a graphical interface, fully graphical interface, that will let you connect from every part of the world using any internet browser to connect to a management server and to manage InfoScale Access clusters, to manage InfoScale Enterprise systems, or even to manage storage, fabrics, etc. So Veritas InfoScale Operation Manager, formerly known as VIOM, is a really powerful graphical interface. However, to let VIOM to manage InfoScale Access, you need to add 2 specific add-ons. One is the Storage Insight. Storage Insight is the add-on that will let you configure, manage, administer, discover storage. And this will let you discover and manage the storage that is connected to the InfoScale Access cluster nodes. The second add-on instead was created a repository for InfoScale Access. It is called Access Insight. And once you install it in VIOM, you will add extra features in extra interfaces in VIOM, extra reports. Basically, when you use VIOM to manage the InfoScale Access cluster, you will be able to create shares, file systems, all the logical objects related to InfoScale Access cluster. You will be able to create, manage snapshots as well, and to see, create, schedule, run reports as well. So this is a really good interface. You can even manage alerts and notification in VIOM that are related to InfoScale Access cluster. That's all.
Okay, so you said that second add-in is called Access Insight?
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Access
so
Insight is the second add-on.
Okay, so that's the one that's specific just for InfoScale Access. Is that right?
Exactly. Correct.
Fantastic. Great. Mauricio, thank you very much for taking us through
You're
this.
welcome.